Hey my neighbor, in this video you will learn how you can easily delete a Basecamp project. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you are going to have a project here and you have two options how you can delete the project. Click here and you will find here archive or delete project, right? And you can put it in the trash. Or the second way how you can do it is just go to home button and you will find these dots here. Again, click on it and archive or delete it. So again, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to put it in trash. So this is how we can do it. And it's like really simple. Like that, saving. Okay, so this is how we can delete project in Basecamp. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day and goodbye. And don't forget that you are the best version you can be right now.